Okay, it's Bamsy here once again. I'm so happy to be with you. Okay, so quickly in this video, I will be teaching you how you can actually use pixels. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is stop doing this. Stop boosting videos on Facebook page or something that they post on your page. Stop doing it. Stop doing it. Stop doing it. Stop doing it. I don't know how many times I'm going to say stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Don't do it. Okay? S'il vous plaît, un peu de volume. So stop what? Boosting posts directly from your Facebook. I'm going to show you an example of what I'm talking about right now. If you have been doing this, I want you to stop it because you are just giving Facebook money and you are losing your money. Okay? No matter what you're doing right now, but if you're doing this, then I beg you, I want to be on my knee. Don't do it. Don't boost this thing. Don't boost post. Okay, I'm not trying to shout at you right now, but I see so many people coming up with these things. Like, they just come here, they will see boost posts on their page, they're gonna boost, they will have their credit card and they will boost. Hey guys, come on, you're giving Facebook money. Facebook is they are billionaires. So I don't know why you decide to be giving them your money. You know why? Because when you boost a post here, you are limited to the people you are reaching, and Facebook seriously do not count you as a business person. They see you as a novice, they see you as a newbie, they see you as to make money from them you. So why do I say you should stop this? It is extremely important. Do not try to boost your post. Don't boost it. They will propose to you, hey, you are reaching to 500 and something view, you should boost this post. Don't, please. Okay, so let's get to today's business. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can actually install pixels on your page, on your website, or let's say you want to install pixel on your website. Okay, how you can actually do that and why you need to install pixel on your website. First thing and foremost is this: Facebook pixels is one of the number one thing in marketing on Facebook. Number one step for you to do if you want to market on Facebook. So if you have been running adverts, you've been running traffic, you've been running this and that from Facebook to another website, and you have not been using pixel, like seriously, you are giving Facebook money and you are wasting and you are putting so many money on the table. So let's get to it. Why Facebook pixel? Facebook pixel allow you as a person. Let's assume you just went to a website, like for example, I saw an advert. Okay, let's say I saw this advert. Let's just assume let me just go to Facebook right now. Let me go to my home page. So I'm scrolling right now and I assume I will see an advert. Okay, let me just see, it's still loading. I'm trying to see if there's anything. So my internet is extremely low. So let me just illustrate what I want you to understand here. Let's assume, okay, that this is an advert. Assuming this is not advert, is just a normal post. If there's an advert, you will see sponsored under this time. You will see the sponsored, they will see sponsored. So let's assume you click on it and then it drives you to the website. Let's say to this website. Okay, just an example. It drives you to the website of the content you want to buy, and you eventually you didn't buy it because of one reason or the other. Maybe you had an emergency, or you don't have money at that moment. You left the website, okay, and then you go back to your Facebook, maybe in a day later, or 2 days or 3 days later, and you all of a sudden you see the same post that has been following you, telling you, hey, you forgot to do this, or you forgot to do that. This is a discount for you to do. Why are they following you? Why are those adverts following you? Sometimes you open an application on your phone, and then the next thing you see an advert after you. So why this? It's very, very simple. That's why we call it Facebook Pixel. It is secret for people who are really eating it online. It's a weapon that you can actually use. You can place, and it's legal, and you can use this to get more customers to whatever you want them to do. You can get related people to that kind of stuff. For example, let's say somebody didn't buy your product, or somebody, and also somebody, there are two people. One visited your product page, didn't buy, and the second person visited the product page, he or she bought and then left. So how do you retarget to these people again? Facebook Pixel, once it's installed on your website, allow you to retarget these people. Like in the future, let's say I want to retarget just the people that bought so category of product on my website. So I will just tell Facebook, I want you to target people who visited this URL, and then I want to show my advert to them. Or people that didn't buy this product, I want to show them this product. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, like, so let's get back to the business. How can you actually install Facebook Pixel, or how can you actually find it on Facebook? So why do I actually say you should not boost anything? Don't boost. Why? Because Facebook will see you as a newbie. Okay, they will see you as a newbie, and you don't have a business account. So for you to get a business account, just go to business.facebook like this.com. Okay, once you are there, you will see something like, let me just see, you see something very simple, a page that will tell you overview for you to create another account. Once you start creating, you start getting, and then you can also have different ad accounts inside your business manager. Now Facebook sees you not as this personal account, but they see you as a business person. For example, I have one of my business, and I have this also. So they see you like that. That's how they see you. They see you as a business, as a real serious business owner. And how can you actually find your Facebook Pixel? Once you are inside, you come to this place. Then I come to settings, business settings. Okay, once business settings is opened, you come down to data sources. Okay, from data sources you find your pixel. So I will click on my pixel, and on my pixel I can decide to just add more. Like I can add more, and then I'll just name it, let me just say evergreen. Okay, it's optional for your website, for you to add your website here, but for me I can actually add my website. So right now I'll just keep that. I'll click on continue, and that is it. Then for me to see the code, I'll come here. This is the code, this is the number code. Okay, you can use this number, and also you can use a code. Once you click on any of the stuff up there, you click on it. Let me just use this, the one I just created right now. I'll click on to copy it, and I can do it manually, manual pixel code. So they will direct you on where to put it. If you have a website, you're a website owner, or you don't have access to the back end, or you have somebody who design your website for you, you just give them this code. Okay, once you give them this code, they will be able to install it. So this is the code. They will now install this code on the header tag. So this language, you might not understand it, but this is actually the coding aspect of your website. Don't worry, there's nothing ethical about it. If you are using Shopify, it's easy to install. If you are using WordPress, it's very easy to install. Or WooCommerce, these are the stuff that are very easy to install. For WordPress owner or WooCommerce, just type in just add a new plugin, search for Facebook Pixel plugin, then you get to install it directly. And that is it, guys. I hope you find this video awesome and helpful to you. Just let me know if you have any question in adding this to your website. This is very crucial for a business owner to have it on your website, because it really have so many benefits inside of it. There's so many advantages when you use a pixel on your website. So guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.